Hey everyone! From sunny and windy Toronto, my name is Bogdan and welcome to Acura Addicted channel. Today I'm debunking a myth that the second generation MDX steering is too stiff. I myself am not a fan of electric power steering, as often it feels numb, too light, and doesn't really provide any feedback. However, you may know that the second generation MDX is equipped with hydraulic power steering. This is an empty parking lot, which seems to be a perfect space for an experiment like this one. So let's do it! Going around parking lot at 5 miles per hour. Parking forward. Parking backwards. Steering with one finger. As you can see, no extra effort is required to steer the car at low speed with one hand, even considering I'm medium built. So what is the conclusion here? Can you steer the MDX with one finger? It's a bit uncomfortable, but you sure can. But do you really need to? I don't think so. However, there's no problem to steer the car with one hand, even in a parking lot at low speeds. So if you're experiencing difficulties to steer your MDX, it might be a sign that your steering system components need checking. Anyway, what's your experience in steering your MDX? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell buttons for more videos on this channel. As always, drive safe, use your turn signals, and remember, anything is possible with the right tools and motivation. See you next time!